Hello and welcome on Supercoaching UPSC by Textbook. Am I audible and visible completely? Please tell me fast. Monica, Manpreet, everybody please tell me. Am I audible and visible? Yes or no? Monica, Manpreet, Sushmrit, please tell me. Am I audible and visible? Ritika, Soni, hello. And where are the remaining guys? Where is my pen? Guys, give me 1 second. Pranam, Prajwal. Give me 1 second. I lost my pen. Let me search it. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, I got that. So, welcome everybody. Today's topic is average. Okay. Today we are going to study average. And first of all, at 12 p.m., 12 p.m. masterclass and 10 p.m. that is YouTube class. Okay. Don't forget to join both the session. Okay. Now, just put a heading average. Just put a heading average. Okay. Guys, what is average and why we are studying it? See, the correct meaning we can say average means a midpoint. Average means a midpoint of a series. Okay. If we want to take a midpoint, we can say Vibha, good evening. We can take average of that, like 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And I want average of these, so I can directly say it is 70. It is 70. Okay. It means 70 is what? 70 is midpoint of this series. Midpoint of this series. Okay, dear. Now, and when we want to calculate the average, then average has its formula, that is sum upon number of things. Sum upon number of things. Okay. Now, first meaning of average is midpoint. But, but, if I calculate the average of this one, now just calculate the average. Now just calculate the average. See, see, any person can have any value. And when we put these into this formula, we will get our average or midpoint. How? Just see, 51 plus 59 plus 78 plus 72 plus 90 upon how many numbers are there? That is 5. Okay, now just add, that is 110, and that is 150. Okay, and 90, 240, and 110. 110, just add how much it is. How will you add? If you cannot add like this way, just add from tens place. 5, 5, 10, 7, 17, and 7, 24, and 9, 9, 33. Now add unit digit. 9, 1, 10, 8, 2, 10, 20. That is 20. Just this 2 add to 33. That is 350 upon 5. That is answer will be what? 70 again. Now we can say through this. We can say through this. Like for calculating average, numbers can be different or numbers can be consecutive. Numbers can be different and numbers can be numbers can be numbers can be what? Numbers can be in consecutive. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now, second thing, if I say the average, if I say the average, the average of 30 persons, 30 persons is 50, is 50. Sir, what does it mean? What does it mean? Huh? It means every person have 50, 50. Okay, every person have 50. Now just see this case can become can become into only one type, like only rupee case or money case. Okay, it means they will say like the average money of 30 students or 30 persons is 50 rupees. Matlab, it means every person is having 50 rupees. Okay, every person is having 50 rupees. Okay, is it okay? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Tell me fast. Is it okay? Tell me fast. Now, now, see, if I want to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the average. I want the average. Okay. How will I calculate it? There is two things. There are two things. How? If they are odd, just use midpoint as a as an average. Otherwise, if if series is consecutive, if series is consecutive, then then first plus last upon first plus last upon 2. It means 1 plus 9 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2, that is 5. And the midpoint of the series is 5. It means average is 5. Okay. Okay. Yes or no? Everybody. So now for consecutive series, see, if number of things if number of things are odd, just take midpoint as an average. Okay, midpoint as an average. Okay, Katha Sanjay, welcome. If number of things are even, just do what? First plus last upon 2. Guys, if things are even, midpoint also an average. But 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 to calculate particular value, we need to solve like this. Okay, okay. So now, should I ask you some questions? Like, questions are, first question is first question is find the average find the average find the average from from uh, find the average of all numbers from 1 to 100, from 1 to 100. Okay, and most of the time he will not ask you like this. He will ask you, find the sum of all numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, he will ask you like this. Akansha Gupta, very good evening. Okay, he will ask you like this. You find the sum of all numbers from 1 to 100. Now calculate. One method is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10, 9 plus 10, like this. Second method is like, uh, step 1, step 1. Okay, step 1, calculate average. See, guys, from 1 to 100 is showing us, is telling us like it is an consecutive series. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is a consecutive series. So first calculate the average. 1 plus 100 upon 2. 101 upon 2, that is 50.5. Average is that. Step 2, step 2. Now multiply the average with number of things. Now tell me, number of things is what? That is 100. That is 100. 1 to 100. That is 100 numbers. Okay. Or he will tell you first 100 numbers. Okay. Like this. That now just multiply 50.5 into 100. That is 5050. That is your sum. That is your sum. Okay. That's your, that is your answer. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, now tell me, now tell me, next question, the average of first 100 natural numbers. First 100 natural numbers. Tell me. Now, first 100 natural numbers means 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Then average will be what? 1 plus 100 upon 2. 101 upon 2. That is 50.5. Simple. Same answer. Same answer. Same answer. Okay. But it will be changed. How? When I ask you, find the average, find the average of first 100 whole numbers. Find the average of first 100 whole numbers. Now tell me. Now tell me. Find the average of first 100 whole numbers. 0, it means we need to calculate average 0 to 99. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, everybody. Yes or no? Simple. Now, just solve like this. 0 plus 99 upon 2. Then 99 by 2. Answer will be what? 49 point. 49.5. Okay. Completed. Completed. Now solve two questions. Okay. Then I will go ahead. Question is, find the average, find the average of 30, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, and 170 and 190. Now just calculate the average. Just calculate the average. See, first of all, is it a consecutive? Consecutive means the difference of two terms always same. Okay, the difference of two consecutive terms are always same. That is 20, 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 and this one also 20. It means it clearly show it is a consecutive series. Now what we will do, first count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9, it means odd. Just take the midpoint 4. Therefore here it is 110. 110 is your answer. But if we want to calculate, just solve 30 plus 190 upon 2, that is 220 upon 2, that is 110. Again we got the same answer. We got the same answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So this type of questions can be asked. Now see, some updated of the questions. what it is saying, average money of 30 students is 50 rupees. Okay, and I already told you, if the question is depending on money, then what will you take? What will you take? Average average of 30%, 30 students, average money is 50. It means every student is having 50 rupees in his pocket. Yes or no? Yes or no? I already told you. Now the second thing he is saying, if one new student joins them, the new average becomes 51 rupees. Then find the amount which bring in by new students. It means now students turned, now 30 students is turned into 31 students. Okay. Now average what? Average is 51 rupees. Now see, uh, before new students, what is the total amount? So average one will be what? Average one will be what? 50 is average and 30 is number of things. That means we are calculating the total amount, sum 1, that is 30 into 50, that is 1500, and the sum 2 will be what? 31 into 51, that is 1581. So now the new students, when new student entered in the class, then how much the sum is increased? That is 1581 minus 1500, that is 81, and 81 is your answer. Guys, I solved through basic, but half of calculation I did in my brain. And when if you do that, how will you do that? The average equals to sum upon number of things. Okay, average is 50. We want sum, and number of things are 30. Then sum will be 30 into 50, that is 1500. And now average is 51. Sum we need, and upon number of things 31, that is 31 into 51. Okay, that is 1581. Now 31 students is having 1581 rupees, and 30 students is having 1500. It means that one student is having 81 rupees. It is clearly showed. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, my point is that why are you writing so much? Just use your brain to calculate the question. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now, now it is also taking time, because, and what thing will take time? That is this calculation. This multiplication will take the time. Or you have, no sir, we have idea to do that. How? Sir, I will break 30 and 1 into 51. 3 fives are 15, or 3 ones are 31530, and that is, and I will add these, and 1581. It is also taking time. It is also taking time. Okay. Now, do you want to learn logic? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everybody, please tell me, do you want to learn logic? Yes or no? I know on laptop class is not so much interesting, but the concept remains same. Okay, on interactive panel or this laptop. Okay. Hmm? I am removing all the things. Okay. I am just clearing the slide completely. Now check out the question. 30 students average is 50 rupees. It means every student is having 50 rupees. Okay. Now the new student entered, the average becomes 51 rupees. 51, 51, 51, 51. Now tell me, before some time I have 50 rupees. Now I have 51 rupees. Before some time I have how much? 50 rupees. Now I have 51 rupees. It means 1 rupee came from whom? The new student. Yes or no? That new student joined the class and gave every student 1 rupee. Yes or no? And 51 is new average. It means he has he has 51 rupees in his pocket, and 1 rupee is was distributed to every student. Yes or no? Yes or no? It means 51 rupees he has in the pocket, and 1 rupee, okay, or I can say 30 rupees were distributed into 30 students, with which their pocket will become from 50 to 51. It means 51 that the new guy have, and and 30 rupees which was distributed, that is 81 rupees he took from his house, or when at that time when he joined the. Now tell me now tell me, did you understand? Yes or no? Yes or no? How's the logic how's the logic Tell me. And if you love the logic, if you like the logic, just go and join the Telegram group. That is Saransh sir. Yes. Tell. Is it good? Okay. Can we solve another question on this method? Yes. Just see. Average money of 20 students is 30. It means 30 rupees to everyone. If one new student joins the average joins the class, then new average is 29, 29, 29. Tell me one thing. 1 rupee is decreasing from every student. Yes or no? Yes or no? 30 students, sorry, 20 students dropped their 1 rupee, or 20 students distributed their 1 rupee. It means 29 is the average. It means 29 rupees a new student have at this time. And in this 29 20 rupees came from those students. It means 29 minus 20, that is 9. Answer is 9. See, if average increases. Okay, that means new student is distributing. Okay, new student is distributing. Okay, and if average decreases, it means new student new student is getting. Okay, okay, it means in 29 20 rupees he got from 20 students. Okay, after that he become equal, he becomes equal to all 20 students with 20 students, sorry, with 20 students. Okay, okay, is it clear now? Okay, now check out next question. See, if if average money of 40 students, okay, 40 students is 30 rupees. Okay, 30 rupees each of 40 students have. Now if two new students join them, the new average become 30.5. Now tell me, tell me how it will be increased. Point five, point 5 is increasing. It means, it means, tell me, these two new students, average is increasing. Average increased already. It means these two new students, I can say these two new students are distributing 1 rupee. Yes or no? Yes or no? Guys, point 5, point 5, point 5 rupees to 40 students were distributed. That means 20 rupees were distributed, and and 30.5 one student and 30.5 second student is having, are having, and 20 was distributed. That means how much it will be? 61 plus 20, that is 81. That is your answer. Tell me, Manpreet, Sultanpuriya, tell me, is it okay? Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good, Bhavna. Tell me, everybody. Huh? Okay. Now we are going on to next question. Now tell me. Now tell me, how will you do that? Solve this question now. If 30 students have certain average money, we don't know what is the average. Now one more student with 12 rupees joined them. The new average increased by 1 rupees. 1 rupee. Find out the average of all 31 students. It is asking like this way. 12 rupees? Sorry, there is some error. That is 120 rupees. Huh, I was thinking 12 rupees and average is 95, 96. How can it be? It is 120 rupees. Now tell me, if average increased, then who will distribute the money? The new student. And new student will distribute 1 rupee to all 30 students, to every 30 student. Okay, to every student, that is 1 into 30, that is 30 rupees will be distributed. Okay, now the new average is increased by 1 rupee. 1 rupee. When 30 rupees was distributed, then what will be the new average? 120 minus 30, that is 90 rupees. Okay, so answer will be 90. Now the previous average should be what? Previous average, that will be what? That will be 89 rupees. Now if you want to check, just check it out. Just check the question. 89 into 30, that is 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. Okay, that is 2670. Okay, now new average for 31 student, that is 91. Okay, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3. That is the total sum. Now check it out. 2730 minus 2670. 0 from, that is 13, and that is how much? 6 and 0, 60. That, sorry, my bad, that is 90, 31 na, 31 na, 31. Now multiply this. That is 31 into 90 plus 1. Okay, 9 3s are 27, 9 1s are 9, plus 31, that is 1, and 9 3 2 1, and 2 2 8 2 2 8 2. Now doing, man. New average is 90 na. Why are you not telling me? New average is 90. Huh? फौजी भाई रहने दे यार, क्यों जिला गाजियाबाद बनाने पर मजबूर कर रहा? That is 2790. Okay, new sum is 2790. Okay, and the previous sum was 2670. Now tell me what is the difference? 0 to 1. New student Shraddha Pawar, welcome. Now, new student, new student, we got the same price. Okay, same money. New student will come with 120 rupees. Tell me, is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is it clear? Please repeat. Okay. Bhavna, just see again. Just see again. 30 students have certain average money. Now one more student with 120 rupees join them. Okay. So that new average increased by 1 rupee. When average increases, then the new student will distribute the amount will distribute the amount which one the average increased. Okay, if average increased by 1 rupee, it means he will distribute 1 rupee from that amount which he took to join them. Okay, he took 120 rupees. Now he is distributing 1 rupee to each of 30 students. It means new average will be what? 120 minus 1 into 30. That will be 120 minus 30. That is 90. And 90 will be what? When 1 rupee is distributed to all 30 students, now this much will remain to him. Okay, it means 90, 90, 90, all to all 31 student. That is average will be what? 90. Now average of 30 students, average of 30 students, that will be what? 1 rupee increased. 90 is 1 rupee increased. It will be 90 minus 1, that is 89. And if you want to check, just check it out. 89 average, 30 students, that is 2670. 90 average to 31 student, that is 2790. The difference will be what? 120. 120 is the difference of both. Now it is clear. Now you got that, Bhavna? Now you got that? Tell me fast. I want answer from Bhavna. Hmm? Okay. Now the next question. 40 students have certain average. When now one new student join with 50 rupees, the average decreased by zero point 0.5 rupees. Average is decreasing. It means these 40 student will give zero point 5 rupees each to new guy. It means this 50 rupees. Okay, now see, 40 student will give zero point 0.5 rupees to this one, that is 20 rupees. Yes or no? Now this student got 50 rupees with him. Okay, now what will be the average? So 50 plus 20, that is 70. Yes or no? And the previous average was 70.5. Yes or no? Yes or no? If you are thinking this is true, that is okay. Now just check it out. Now just check it out. Just check the solution. Okay, don't worry. 70.5 into 40. Okay, 70.5 into 40, it means 705 into 4. That is 428, and 2820 is the sum. 2820 is the sum. Now, now new average is 70 into 41. Okay, 7 fours are 28, 7 ones are 7. That is new sum. Now tell me what is the difference between them? That is 50. The question was also saying that. The question was also saying that. Okay. Okay. Huh? Now, the next question. Certain students have average of 123 rupees. One new student joins in and brings 60 rupees, so that new average of whole group becomes 120 rupees. How many students are there? Now tell me, if average is 123 and it is going to become 120, it means 3 rupees, 3 rupees were decreased. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? 3 rupees, 3 rupees were decreased. Now tell me, now tell me, how will you do that? That's quite easy, quite easy. If new average is 120 rupees, this 60 rupee guy will also have 120 rupees. It means 60 rupees will be increased. And 60 rupees, how it will be increased? 333. It means 60 by 3, that is 20 students will give him 3 rupees, with which the whole group average will be 120. Answer will be what? None of these. Simple. Simple. But how many students are there, bola, not were there. Okay, were there. Okay, so answer can be here 21 also. Okay, he will give you the hint ki how many students after the new student join. Okay, or the new average have how many students, then you will give the answer 21. Okay, easy. Now check out. A batsman makes 90 runs in his 16th innings. Okay, thereby his average decreased by 4. Find his average after 16th inning. If I can tell me, I can imagine here 90 runs he made in his each inning up to 16th inning. Is it saying? No. A batsman makes 90 runs in his 16th inning. Okay, we want first of all, we want what is the total number of runs he made up to his 15th inning. Okay, in his 15 innings, how many total runs he made? But average is decreased by 4. Average is decreased by 4. Now tell me, when average is decreasing, those 15 innings will give 4 runs to this 16th inning. Yes or no? It means 15 innings will give 4 runs to 16th inning. It means 60 total runs. These will give to 16th inning. And 90 runs 16th inning have in his pocket. It means 90 that one, and 60 he took from 15 innings, that will be 150, and that is the new average. Simple. Simple. Just use logic. Just use logic. If you don't use logic, just see how what it will be happen. See, average one we don't know. That will be sum 1 upon 15. Second average is A1 minus 4. That will be sum 1 plus 90 upon 16. Now put A1 in second equation. Sum 1 upon 15 minus 4 equals to sum 1 plus 90 upon 16. 15 is the LCM. S1 minus 60 equals to S1 plus 90 upon 16. See, 16 S1 minus 960 equal to 15 S1 plus 1350. Okay, now it will be what? It will be what? S1 equals to S1 equals to 1350 plus 960. That will be 0 and 1 and 39, 22 and 1, 23. Okay, 23. So now calculate average one. 2310 upon 15. 5 3s are 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 60, and 5 2s are 10, and 3 1s are 3 5s are, and 3 4s are. New average will be 154. Then the second average A2 will be A1 minus 4. 154 minus 4, that is 150. It is the basic. It is the basic. Now just check it out. What will give you benefit in the exam? The logic or to solve like to calculate like this one? Tell me, which will give you the benefit? Okay. So use your brain. Okay, it will give you two benefits. Now you can develop your brain, okay, by using it. And the second one is you will take less time to solve the question. So you have both benefits. You have laddus in your both hands. Okay, and one more thing, paper will be qualified. Exam will be qualified. It means your head is in कढ़ाई. दोनों हाथों में लड्डू और सर कढ़ाई में. ठीक है, घी में मतलब. In short. Okay, now check it out. A man whose bowling average is 12.4. Okay, don't use that logic in bowling average questions, because bowling have two things: runs and wickets. Runs and wickets. Okay, takes 5 wickets for 26 runs, and thereby his bowling average decreases by zero point 0.4. Find the number of wickets taken by him before last match. Before last match. See, bowling average, you will calculate simple total runs given upon total wickets taken. Total wickets taken. Okay. Now tell me, bowling average is 12.4. Okay, bowling average is 12.4. I don't know how much runs he gave and how much wickets he took. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, now I can calculate here. Runs will be runs will be what? 12.4x. Now when he gave 12.4 run, 12.4 into x, when he gave 26 runs more, and and he took 5 wickets more, then his bowling average will be what? 12. Now just calculate it. That will be 12x plus 60.4x. It will be 34. Okay, x will be what? 340 upon 4. Now tell me. And 85. It means he took 85 wickets from from before his last match. Before his last match. Okay, okay. Is it clear? Now, now, out of three given numbers, first one is twice the second and three times the third. If the average of those numbers is 88, then the difference between first and third number. Tell me, three numbers have average 88, then the total will be what? 88 into 3. 88 into 3. That will be 260. Now, first number, second number, third number. First number is twice the second and three times the third. If third number is 1, then first number will be what? 3, and first one is twice the second, then it will be what? 1.5. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Then remove this decimal, then it will be 30, 15, 10. Now just calculate into ratio and divide by 5. See, 6 ratio 3 ratio 2. I can say the value will be what? 6x, 3x plus 2x. Okay, it will be what? 264. Then it will be 11x equals to 264. X equals to what? 24. Now first number will be what? 6x, 6 into 24, and second number is 2x, 2 into 24. That will be, I can solve it in brain, but I want to teach you first basic, then I will tell you. Okay, that will be 6 to the 12 and 6 4 the 24. That will be 144 minus 48, 6, and that is 90. 96 your 96 is your answer. Okay, now see the basic one. No, sorry, now see the logic. Okay, now see the logic. We know that total will be what? Total will be 88 into 3, that is 264. This 264 is divided how? First, second, third. We created the ratio already, 6 ratio 3 ratio 2. Up to this you will do like this. Okay, now see 6 3 2, that is 11 ratio is 264. 1 ratio will be what? 24. We want difference between first and third number. Now just see how much ratio difference. Okay, 6 minus 2, 4 ratio. Now just calculate the value of 4 ratio. 4 into 24, answer will be what? 96. That's your. You can solve like this also. Okay, that is that is 90. Okay, okay. Now check out the next question. The average of 8 readings is 24.3, out of which the first two is 18.5 and that the next 3 is 21.2, and sixth reading is 3 less than 7 and 8 less than the 8th. Okay, then what is the sixth reading? Now tell me, sixth reading is 7th minus 3, and sixth reading is 8th minus 8, or I can say 7th reading will be what? 6th reading plus 3, and 8th reading will be what? 6 plus 8. Yes or no? Now just calculate the sum, you will get your answer. Okay, 8 readings average are is 24.3, then the total will be what? 24.3 into 8. The sum will be what? This. First two, those will have 18.5. 18.5 average two number of things. Now next three will have 21.2 as an average and three number of things. It will give you total, and sixth digit will be 6, and seventh digit will be 6 plus 3, and eighth digit will be 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. Now it will be 37, and it will be 63.6, and these will be sixth, let sixth digit will be x. Okay, then it will be 3x plus 11. Okay, then 3x plus 48 plus 63.6, then it will be 3x plus 111.6. Okay, 111.6. Okay, okay. Now 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 see, the total of 8 readings will be 194.4. Now just calculate 3x will be 194.4 upon 111.6. That is 14 minus 6, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. That is 8. And that is 0. It means 3x equals to 82.8. That will be 3 to the, that will be 3 to the 6. Okay, 3 to the 6. Now 3 to the 6. Okay, that is 22. 3 sevens are 21, and 3 6 are 18. The answer will be x equals to 27.6. Okay, now the option 3 is yaar. Okay, answer is 27.6. That is the sixth reading. Okay, now the next one. Average height of 40 students is 163 centimeter. On a particular day, 3 students A, B, C were absent, and the average of the remaining 37 students was found to be 162 centimeter. If A, B have equal heights and the height of C be 2 centimeter less than that of A, find the height of A. Find the height of A. Okay, then find the height of A. Tell me who will solve that. Okay, just take it as a homework. Okay, you will get all concept will be cleared. Okay, all concept. Okay, now next one. A group of 20 girls has average of 12 years. The average age of 12, wow, from the same group is 13 years. What is the average age of 8 girls in the group? Tell me, how will you calculate it? First of all, a group of 20 girls has average age of 12. That means total will be what? The sum will be what? 12 into 20, that is 240. Yes or no? The average age of first 12 girls from the same group is 13 years. It means 12 into 13. Now we have 8 girls in the group remaining. The total will be what? 8 into average, we can let x, okay, and the total will be what? Equal to 240. Now 12 into 13, that is 156, plus 8x equals to 240. Now 8x will be what? 240 minus 156. Okay, it means 88. Now x equals to what? 11. It means the next 8 girls will have average age, that is 11 years. Is it clear? Yes or no? We just did that. What? 240 is the total of 20 girls, okay, which have average age of 12 years. The average age of first 12 girls of same group, that is 13 years. It means 12 into 13, that is the sum of those 12 girls. Now we can let the average of 8 girls is x. Now we can say 8 into x is the sum of those 8 girls, sum of the age of those 8 girls. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Now see, the average age of A and B is 20 years. Okay, I can calculate here the sum, that is A plus B equals to 20 into 2, that is 40. If C replace A, okay, the average would be 19. Okay, it means B plus C equals to 19 into 2, that is 38. And if C were to replace B, the average would be what? 21. It means A plus C will be what? 21 into 2, that is 42. Now, now tell me, what are the ages of 80? Hmm? Sorry. My bad. 84, then answer will be what? 12. Sorry, 4, 8 ones are 8, and 0, 10.5. Okay, none of these will answer. Sorry. Okay, that was mistake. Okay, now tell me, how will you calculate it? You have A plus B, B plus C, A plus C. Sir, quite simple. A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C. That will be what? That is 80, and that is 120. Okay. Now 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Now just take 2 common. A plus B plus C equals to 120. It means A plus B plus C will be what? 60. A plus B plus C what? 60. Now tell me. Now tell me. Now tell me. How will you use your logic? Sir, it is clearly mentioned. If C replace B, average is decreasing. Okay, it means C have less number. And if C replace B, the average is okay. Sorry. Now see, 20 to 18 equals to 40 and 20. That is also 60. That is also 60. That is also 60, and that is also 60. That is also 60. Now just use your brain. Why it is A plus B is 40, na? It means C will be what? 60 minus 40, that is 20. Okay, now put B plus C. Okay, then A will be what? 60 minus 38, that is 22. And now put A plus C, then B will be what? 60 minus 42, that is 18. A is 22, B is 18, and C is 20. Option 1 is your correct answer. Quite simple. Okay, now check out the last question of today. The average marks in English of a class of 24 students is 56. Okay, when we see average and number of students, we can calculate the sum here first. 24 into 56, that is the sum. If marks of 3 students were missed as 44, 45, 62, okay, of actual marks 48, 59, 67 respectively, what would be the correct average? Okay, just take the screenshot and I will send the PDF in the group, and you have to do this yourself. Okay, do yourself, and we will solve it in Telegram group chat. Okay, so it one is also your homework. Okay, so if you love the class, just share the video, like the class, and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to join my Telegram group, that is Saransh Sir Textbook. And I already told you that about the discuss button, with which you can join the group chat and you can send your doubts, and you can directly interact with me. Okay, and don't forget to join the tomorrow's session master class, that is 12 p.m., which is on textbook app, that is also free of cost, and we will study their blood relation. Okay, the most important topic, and the coded blood relation has a great chance to come in CSAT 2024. Okay, so don't forget to join the session. So good night, Shabba Khair, Shubh Ratri, Khuda Hafiz, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Samvidhan.